Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious donuts at home without yeast. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and some sugar. Combine these dry ingredients thoroughly in a large mixing bowl. This step ensures everything is evenly distributed, which is key for a consistent texture in your donuts. Get ready for some easy baking. Now let's introduce the wet ingredients to our dry mixture. Carefully add about 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 egg. Mix everything together until a soft, slightly sticky dough begins to form. Once combined, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently knead it for about 2 minutes until it's smooth and manageable. You're almost ready to cut out your donut shapes. With your dough ready, it's time to create those classic donut shapes. Roll out your dough to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a 3-inch donut cutter or even 2 different sized cookie cutters to make your donuts in holes. Next, heat about 3 inches of oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop in a few donuts at a time and fry them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they're beautifully golden brown. So exciting! The final step is the best part, glazing your warm, fresh donuts. You can whip up a simple glaze using powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated for that perfect sweet finish. Let them cool slightly, then enjoy your homemade, yeast-free treats. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.